Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I do this curly, messy updo, which you can dress up or dress down. For this hairstyle, you will need to use the hot rollers. So if you don't know how to use the hot rollers, please watch my previous video where I teach you how to curl your hair with the hot rollers. You will also need a few things like hairspray, hair serum, bobby pins, many bobby pins, a hairbrush, 2 hair ties, and here we are taking off the hot rollers. I will leave a link down below to my previous video on how to use hot rollers. Once we're done taking off the hot rollers, we're going to go ahead and apply the hair serum all over our hair, concentrating on the tips. Next step is to apply hairspray to the curls. This is once again concentrating on the ends of your hair. And now we are going to put our hair up in a ponytail. We're not going to touch the hair tips. We're going to concentrate on keeping our hair up. I like to use 2 hair ties because I feel like my ponytail is more secure and tight versus just using 1 hair tie. And just in case one of them snaps, I have a backup. So that's why I like to use 2 hair ties instead of 1. Okay, so now we're going to shake our ponytail around like so and apply a little bit more hairspray to try to keep the curls in place. Now I am pinning up my hair with the bobby pins. I pin up my hair depending on where I want the curls to be at. This step can take a bit long, but just be patient and try to shape up your bun. Bobby pins will help keep your curls in place. Now that you've shaped up the bun, we're going to continue by applying more hairspray. This is to the front of my hair. This is to tame the baby hairs. I do have tons and tons of baby hairs, like you can see here. And we're just going to apply the hairspray and brush to make your hair look slick. And we're going to do the same thing to the back of our head. Hairspray and brush your hair up to get rid of those baby hairs and flyaways. And since I'm a perfectionist, I had to go back and just pull out some of the curls, reshaping the bun. I do like my buns to have lots of volume. And there you have it. This is how I do my messy, curly updo. If you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on your notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.